Hey, what's happening guys, this is Mohammed Sajid Hassan and you're watching Sajid's Tech. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install the WordPress site in your website. That means the hosting of your site. So it's really easy, and here I have made our website here, www.sajidhassan360.com, and here I have made it with my WordPress. And here you can maintain it, your website with WordPress so easy. So how you can install it easily, this video I'm gonna show you. So before that, here I request you guys, if you are not already a subscriber of my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and if you do so thanks a lot. So first of all, here what you have to do is that here this is my site, and you need to just go to here, and here this, first of all here give you domain there, and then just type cpanel there, cpanel like that, and give a / here, and after that you will get an access panel there. After just giving the username and the password is there, here I'm just going to log in my hosting there, and this is my dashboard of my website. And from here what I have to do is that here I need to download the WordPress, the file from there, and here from you need to just download the WordPress from there, and here I'll give you the link in the description guys. And here this is my downloaded WordPress site, and here I'll work with that. So first of all you need to just upload this WordPress, whole WordPress in your website's hosting there. And here it is, after just logging into their hosting, and here you need to just go to in the file manager from there, and after just going to the file manager you need to go to the public.html there. Here I have already created a WordPress there, so here I have just create a folder is there, and here this folder is named by WordPress. And here you can create another folder as your wish there, Sajid Hassan as it is, and now just click on the create new folder is there, and here it is, the folder is the Sajid Hassan, and just go to in this folder, and there have nothing this folder. I'll just upload the WordPress, this plugin is there. So here just click on the upload from there, and here I just upload my WordPress as it is. What you do to create a website is there, or upload a website is there, and here I have just upload my WordPress there, and I'll come back after just installing it there. And here my upload is done, and from here I need to just go back, so I just click here to go to the back, and here I need to click on the reload to reload there. And here it is, this is my WordPress, and here I need to just extract this from there. So go to the download and click on the extract from there, re-click it there, and here where you want to extract it there, and here it is, this is my Sajid Hassan folder, and here I want to extract it. Click on the extracting file, and it will be extracted there. So here it is, this is the WordPress, and here I want to just delete from there because I don't need it from there, so keep the trash in the permanently. And here this is the folder, and here it is, there have another folder is there, but I want to just take it here only there, not in the folder. So here I just go to there, and I just select all the files here from there, and here I just move it from there to there. So just go to the down and just select all the folders from there, and re-click and go to the move, and from the move here in the I just delete this WordPress from there and click on the move file, and here it is, it will be moved from there, and here is another file, and I want to just move it from there. So just go to there and click on the move, and here it is. And now just go to the back, and here all the files are there. Here it is, I'm ready to install this WordPress there, but from before that here I need to create a database there to keep all the data in there. So here it is, what you have to do is that here you need to go to in the MySQL database from there, and from here we will need to just create your database. I just show you guys again is that what you have to do is that just go to the down and go to the database and click on the MySQL database from there, and from here create a database there. Here I just create a database Sajid test, and click on the create database there, and it will create a database there. Now click on the go to the back, and here it is, the current databases are there, the Sajid test, and here I need to create a MySQL users there, and here I will add a test there, MySQL test, and here I want to create a password is there, so just click on the password generator, and here you will get a lot of passwords from there, and you can use these passwords from there, and all the passwords are so restricted and so strong so there. So after just giving a password as you wish, and here you need to just confirm this password from there, and click on the create users there, and here it is, and all the things are there. Now click on the go to the back is there, and here I will connect my users with my database, that means the MySQL users with this database. So what you have to do, just click on the user and select the users from there, and here it is in the database, just go to there and select the database, which database you want to use there. As I have the two database, so here it shows like that. Now click on the add, and it will add me to the database there, and from here click on the all privileges from there, and click on the make change from there. And now what you have to do is that you need to just go to in the same direction, in the exact direction where you want to install your WordPress. As I want to install my WordPress in this website sajidhasan360.com, and here I have created a folder under this Sajid Hasan 360, and here I want to install my WordPress. So here this folder name is Sajid Hasan, and here after just creating this Sajid Hasan 360, then give a / and give here the Sajid Hasan is there, and here just hit the enter there, and you will go to in the setup box there, and from here you will choose a language from there. Now click on the continue and click on the let's go, and here it is, this is my database there, and database name here you need to just give the database name here. So I just go to the back from there, and I will just add the database name from there. The database name is there as Sajid Hasan. So here this is the database name is from there as the Sajid Hasan. Here it is, the Sajid Hasan 360 underscore Sajid test. Here is the database name, and here it is the username. You need to give a username from there. So give a username of this database is there is, go to the down, and the current database are as here it is, the database username is there, and here you need to give a passwords of your username. So just go to there in the password, and here from here you will get the passwords from there, and here it is, just copy the passwords from there and set up the password is there, and here it is, just go to in the generate the passwords and click on the yes and change the password is there as it is, it will show you there. So here it is, from here the database host, just give it there from the / there and remove it there. Now click on the submit the table prefix. If you want you can change it, I don't want to change it, so just click on the submit from there, and here it is, your all the things are ready. Now click on the run the installation from there, and you are ready to install your site is there. The Sajid Hasan site name is Sajid Hasan test, and TEST Sajid Hasan test. The username may be Sajid Hasan test as it is, as my username is Sajid Hasan test is there, and here I'll add a password is there as my wish there, and here this is, and your email, here I add an email is there, so that I can change anything, or I can just get confirmation from there. I just double check your email before just to continuing it. Now click on the install WordPress is there, and here it is, you're okay to do everything now there. Here your username is Sajid Hasan test and your password is there. Now click on the login to log in your website, and you're ready, really ready here to go to this. Here it is, my username is there, and here my password is there, and here you can log in your website in your WordPress dashboard by this. So here it is, all the things are done by there. So here you can add your website is there now. Just go to here in these, and now just go to here as it is Sajid Hassan 360/Sajid Hassan this, and here you will get this site from there, and you are just create your WordPress site by this. So that's it from me, guys. If you like this video and get some knowledge from this video, then I have a request little bit for you guys. Please hit the like button under this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.